How to fix Siri not working in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option Siri. Now click on Siri and then click on talk to Siri. After clicking on talk to Siri, then turn it off. After turn off your Siri, then reconnect your Siri. Now remanage your Siri. Now click on continue. So hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Now Siri is ready. Now click on done. Now turn on press side button for Siri. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.